Introducing the Photon USB cable for lightning and micro connections, a dynamic and beautiful way to charge and sync your mobile devices. To use, simply plug the large USB end of Photon into a power source such as a laptop, and plug the micro or lightning end into your device such as a phone. Photon will glow with traveling pulsating light as your device charges. Cables come in teal or blue. When the device is fully charged, the pulsating light will stop. Photon is compatible with all iOS and Android devices, as well as other devices that use micro USB recharging, such as cameras, tablets, and wearables. For more information, visit us at www.pipelineet.com.